Imagine a world where robots walk, talk, and work seamlessly alongside humans. This isn't just science fiction anymore. Walker S2, created by ubtech Robotics, is an advanced humanoid robot designed for personal and commercial use. Unlike clunky robots of the past, Walker S2 has a smooth, human-like design, friendly and approachable. Powered by cutting-edge AI, it recognizes faces, understands speech, and responds intelligently. With advanced sensors, it navigates complex environments without bumping into objects or people. Walker S2 can walk forward, backward, and turn smoothly, thanks to its dynamic balance system. Not just for walking, Walker S2 carries items, opens doors, and assists with chores. In offices, it acts as a receptionist, greeting guests and providing information. Its speech recognition enables natural conversations, making interactions enjoyable. The robot can entertain by playing music, dancing, and showing facial expressions. ubtech designed Walker S2 to be customizable, adapting to different industries and needs. In education, Walker S2 can teach lessons and keep students engaged. In healthcare, it assists elderly patients, providing companionship and mobility support. While expensive now, costs will drop as technology advances, making robots like Walker S2 accessible.